Hi all. Today I'm exciting to present you to my mini project. The title is Visualization Data with CSV Input. So this is my mini project report prepared by Uncle Yun. So this project is represent a combination of meticulous analysis throughout the evaluation and thoughtful design and the providing a robust and user-friendly solution and analyzing and visualizing of the sales data. At the core of our project, it lies on the objective of empowering business and analysts with analysis with the tools they need to gain insight, identify trends, and make informed decisions based on their sales data. We recognize the importance of the data visualization in the process and set out to create intuitive and iterative tool that facilitate and exploration in understanding the sales performance. So throughout the development of a process, we analyze the requirement and challenge faced by business in dealing with the sales data, evaluating existing installation to identify key areas of the improvement, including the needs of streamlined process and boosting data. Customizable visualization option and robust error handling mechanism. So I will show you the original code for the Python mini project. So for the first line, import matplot library by plot as a plot. This module work like a MATLAB module. Second one, import the CSV. This module is to read and write the CSV file. From here, we define the read and sales data from the file. For the easy one is product and sales first, two rows. For further development, we'll add more rows. The indicator perform open file operation and read data else from error. So in this module, I will try to open the file as a CSV file. We'll read it the CSV format. If no, if inside the CSV file, the product is not in the row 0 and the sales is not in the row 1, either of these two will prompt out the error of incomplete data in CSV file. Or even though there is not a CSV file, it will prompt out the file not found and return to nothing. Once we input the correct location of the CSV file, so from here we'll define the plot cell data. The title will be plot cell data, X label product, Y label sales. The bar chart of the color is sky blue. For this one, we're not gonna use it. And we start down the set to file first. So for the try function, we'll convert the sales data into integer. Second, we'll plot out the figure, the bar, the X label, the Y label, title, the X stick, plot type layout. If set is to file, it will prompt out plot set to file chat PNG as an image format. Else, will plot show out the image as well. And if for the CSV file is error is not in numeric, we will plot out the sales data must be numeric. Once we run the module will ask to enter the file name of the sales CSV data, and we import the location of the CSV data. Again, I will show you for now. Run the module. It will ask about the location of the CSV file. So give it the location of the CSV file. And also the CSV file name. Press enter. It will show. It will print out. Do you want to display the plot? Oh yes. The product sales data will come out. All my CSV file is all included the car product. Those are the product is all the car brand. Sales data is all the sales number of the sales for this year of the car sell out. Then from this comparison, we can know which module is sales high in this year. The Toyota and the Ford is the most higher rank in the sales. So for the lowest is the Mercedes and BMW. For this production system, we can customize our bar chart by below to this expense. It can utilize if you want to show what kind of sorry again. Just now sales data. So in the bottom have the 4 tools can adjust freely and let user to customize themselves. The zoom features is can zoom the sales data like comparison for this 4. If you want to reset the view, just click on the home image button. And the third is configure a plot of the parameter. This can let user customize whether it's a bar, if the chat is active, whenever user want plot into the smaller. I configured like that. not, we can reset it as a after done adjustment, we cannot reset it to a default. So it depends on the user whether it wants to be correct the data after done. After done adjusting, we can save it the figure as an image, either an image, PDF file, PPT file, other for the image format. So save it as a PNG file at the desktop. So from the desktop, we can find out the image itself. Done. The program is done. So the second situation is if we not to plot out the image, we say no. If we plot out, we want to save the plot file. If click yes, the automatic will set it to this location. So in this location, enter Google file the new sales tax. It will save it to this location if we're selecting just to set the plot to a file. So for the third condition, we run the module. Production data, we select no, not to plot out, not to save the file. Then the system will everything without displaying or saving the plot. That's all. For the error handling, if we, for example, if the product sales data is not in numeric, and run the module, see whether it got from out the error code. Okay, so so far we have changed the data into and like not numeric number or the capital letter. So the error will brought out the sales data must be numeric. For the second error is if we input the wrong file file format like this. And click enter. Different format from there. Here format the on file not found. If we use to prompt out the file, if the file is not in the location, the CSV file is not in the location, the idle will prompt out file file in the location. That's the second error. So throughout the development process, we carefully consider alternative for evaluate different approach to address the challenges at hand. We explore various library modules and conduct essential testing and solicit feedback from the main and to make sure there is a good good module that we have done before. So the methodology and materials is a Python programming language. Is a primary programming language due to its widespread adoption, extensive library, and is to use for the beginners. There has two modules used in the Python is Matplotlib in module cornerstone of the data visualization in Python. And the second module is a CSV, which is can let the Python module be reading and writing a CSV file. So the module is data input via the CSV file, just like I showed before. And the error handling is robust error handling mechanism essential for ensuring the reliability. So just now by providing the informative error measure, it will show us what is the error. Like just now for the error is numeric number is incorrect or the file is not found. And for the plot, got the many customization option to match the specific needs or the prefer of the user. You can zoom in, zoom out, adjust the bar. You can customize the various aspects of the general report, including titles as label, color, and rotation. So the user interaction is quite good. It will enhance the usability and accessibility of the mini project. It could providing a clear instruction guide the user through the data visualization process. Last but not least, the module will ask to set the plot with the file as the PNG or JPEG. Sharing, it can share, provide support, documentation, sharing, and integration with external application. User can set the plot as a future reference, including the stuff for the presentation and report. All these are automated. Come to the conclusion. To sum up the sales data visualization with CSV input, it provides a flexible and easy to use method for examining and displaying the sales data. The project main characteristics with enhancing efficacy and usefulness include the data entry to the CSV file, adaptable visualization types, strong error handling, and interactive user interface. It's simply for user to enter the sales data. After how the resulting plot and decide whether to show the plot or set it to the file by further review or distribution. By putting these characteristics into practice, the mini project gives analysis and organization the ability to see the patterns and trends, make data-driven decisions, and obtain insightful knowledge about the sales performance. By providing the sales data and aesthetically pleasing and deep comprehensible site, improving the comprehensions of important indicators and streamlining and the dissemination of insight to relevant parties. It promotes well-informed decision making. Last, I think consider the mini project is a useful resource for companies looking efficiency analyze the present the sales data is full. Its fullness, adaptability, and practicality make it invaluable tools for decision making and sales analytic procedure. The project might be expanded and refined further to meet the requirement of the sector. Thank you for this all.